How it? อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก
The best in the world. Oh, looking the smoke still coming. Oh, very hot. Oh, seafood. I have this squid rubber shoe. We call rubber shoe, but this baby squid is not like a gummy shoe. Yeah, canela shrimp, and this what it is is a name. What it is? You forget. Surimi. Yeah, it's a take only shrimp. He like shrimp. He don't like rubber shoe. Tinterfit. Tinterfit is a squid. Yeah. Muttagala. Yeah, you say same German. Muttagala. Gala is a fish. Mutta is a ing. Yeah.
Big fish.
Yeah. German also we call Tinterfit. Yeah, Tinter ing fish. Let's eat.